I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
Let's see what Ella's got with this muffler delete situation going on. We're gonna go for a little flyby with Z-Sor 4. Say what's up, Z-Sor 4.
What's up, guys?
Let's see what this thing's all about. I'm sure you've already seen Zach's car laying the smack down. It's just normal shift, no real acceleration, no drone or anything on low.
Yeah.
What about
even on the highway, 80, 85, it doesn't drone either.
Nice, that's not bad.
Yeah.
And so this setup is Catless, Megan Racing, Downpipe, and then just muffler deletes, right?
Yep.
Still factory resonator, you left that in?
Yeah.
Got it.
For now.
For now.
We'll see. Sounds good, like lower RPMs, but once you get full watt, it's iffy.
Little sketch master.
Yeah. I don't know how I feel about it.
I mean, look, the bottom line is we were EcoBoost owners. It's never gonna sound like a GT, unfortunately. My video with the GT doing the burnout in the background is still gonna be the best sounding EcoBoost exhaust we've ever heard. Is that you or me? Yeah, it's probably me, huh?
I have my disconnected.
Let's put the dummy light out so that it's not interrupting our eargasm. Uh-oh.
Nah, actual one.
Uh-oh.
Ready?
Ready? Ooh, little launch control.
Sounds pretty good.
Uh-oh. I mean, it sounds pretty good from where we're sitting, but if you were inside that house right there, you're probably pretty pissed.
Especially at 11 o'clock at night.
Fucking kids. God, I love the way this thing pulls. It's so funny getting in this car after driving mine, and mine feels like a fucking pussy compared to this. God, it's killing me.
It's not running right now either. I ordered new spark plugs.
Oh, you got them coming?
Yeah.
Good.
It's miserable. You can hear it like misfiring when I'm full acceleration right now. But how do you think it sounds full?
Dude, it's not bad. Considering how anti-exhaust I am on these cars, it's not terrible. Alexander's will be proud of that. Little snap, crackle, pop.
It almost sounds like an open dump in the back. Or like a turbo.
When you pulled into the house, obviously I was sitting in the front office, so I could kind of hear it. I think maybe because you backed in,
Yeah.
you could definitely hear the turbo growl. Like
Yeah.
almost the difference from when you went from stock to that Catless downpipe.
Mhm.
It was almost the same kind of difference that you
Yeah.
could hear.
Cold starts, you hear it a lot too.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
First thing in the morning, you've been parking in the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah, mom and dad love that.
My mom actually likes the way it sounds, which I was surprised.
So you're gonna sell her on getting the GT with the cat delete or the resonator delete, whatever?
Hopefully.
Because the cats, they're like ours. The cats are up in the header, right?
Yeah.
So she'd just do the muffler delete or resonator delete or both. Well, you can tell you got new tires because even just something like that, and the old tires, car was already loose.
Yeah, unless you're like on it, you don't really hear it much.
Yeah.
That was my worry with it. I was afraid it was gonna drone like crazy. I was on 75 today, and it's just like this.
Just a cruising, huh? What, to work?
Yeah.
Let's give it some gas. Let's see what she does.
Oh yeah, pretty rough.
like Z-Store, baby.
Driver mod.
Driver mod.
Yeah, so I think I might keep it. Might wait a week just until I put like the exhaust tips on and everything, just to see, make sure I like it. But
Yes, dude, it's not terrible.
yeah, I was thinking about doing the resonator. What Adam Hicks has one.
The Vibrant.
Yeah, maybe doing that resonator.
I've not ridden in his car or anything, but it sounds good.
It's my favorite sounding.
Yeah, the Vibrant resonator was my suggestion. We used to use those back in the day. A buddy of mine had a Suzuki Swift that he put those on.
Really?
And obviously 4-cylinder, and it made this unique tone that just was livable and bearable.
Wonder how much it is.
I want to say he got his from Amazon or something, and it was like 163 bucks or 170 bucks. That was pretty cheap, if I remember right.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
But yeah, so in regards to, you know, making it about life, so like yesterday I went and filmed and took the kids with me. We were going to see Captain Underpants. We were going to Twisty Tree. You know, we had some stuff planned. So I just took them with me, and for them to earn the surprise of Captain Underpants, I made them go out and we put 10 flyers on houses. And so I think that's what I'm gonna do, is just take them with me, and we'll go put flyers on houses, and we'll go, you know, do random shit, whatever it is, you know, for the day. Alex Sanders seems to think that that'd be a good angle, because obviously it's more unique to what viewers could get from my page versus any other Mustang page. Is,
Yeah.
you know, I am a dad. I have 3 kids. You know, I obviously keep them pretty well involved in, you know, Mustang stuff and car stuff. Jackson's obviously a big fan, so having him out and taking him to the events and all that stuff. So I think it's a good.
If you aren't doing anything Saturday morning now, football's over.
It is over. Thank you, Jesus.
Cruise out with us to Cars and Coffee.
It's unfortunate they didn't bring home the W. However,
We'll get them next year.
It is over. It is over.
Yeah, come out to Cars and Coffee with us.
We shall see if I have a vehicle on Saturday.